इंटरिम बजट 2024 हाइलाइट्स। थीम विकसित भारत बजट 2024 इंच। फोकस एरियाज वेलफेयर ऑफ द पुअर, विमेन, यूथ एंड फार्मर्स। डायरेक्ट टैक्स proposals, retention of existing tax rates, no tax liability for income up to 7 rupees lakh. Corporate tax rates for existing companies 22% and new manufacturing companies 15%. Goods and services tax GST. Retention of existing customs rates. Average monthly gross GST collection doubled to ₹1.66 lakh crore. Roadmap for Viksit Bharat 2047. Development of physical, digital and social infrastructure. Digital public infrastructure DPI for formalization and financial inclusion. Deepening and widening of tax base via GST. Garib Kalyan, Desh ka Kalyan. Direct benefit transfer DBT leading to savings of ₹2.70 lakh crore. Credit assistance to 78 lakh street vendors under PM Swanidhi. Empowering the youth. 1.4 crore youth trained under Scale India mission. 43 crore loans sanctioned under PM Mudra Yojana. Welfare of farmers Annatta. Direct financial assistance to 11.8 crore farmers under PM Kisan. Crop insurance for 4 crore farmers under PM Fasal Bima Yojana. Nari Shakti. 30 crore Mudra Yojana loans disbursed to women entrepreneurs. 43% female enrollment in STEM courses. Strategy shift for Amrit Kal as Kartavya Kal. Sustainable development and green energy focus. Infrastructure and investment. 3 major railway corridor programs under PM Gati Shakti. Promotion of foreign investment via bilateral investment treaties. Expansion of airports under Udan scheme. Inclusive development. Aspirational district program for faster development. Focus on healthcare, housing, tourism and agriculture. Allocations for various ministries and schemes. Allocations for defense, road transport, railways and other key ministries. Budget 2024 expectations. Anticipation of ESOP taxation relaxation, home loan interest limit increase and GST return revisions post-election. Election code fiscal prudence. Interim budget restricted by Election Commission Code of Conduct. Focus on routine expenses and ongoing programs. Vote on account. Authorization for government funds, withdrawal for essential expenses until the new government takes charge. ऐसे रोचक बातें जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें फ्रैंचाइज ऑप्शंस, वेयर नॉलेज मीट्स अपॉर्चुनिटी।